In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apollo.io with LinkedIn. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in Apollo extension in your search bar. This step is about finding the right tool online, which is the bridge between LinkedIn and Apollo.io. For those who are new to this, Apollo.io is a powerful resource for sales professionals, offering tools for sales intelligence and engagement, making connections more streamlined and effective. Once you've executed the search, focus on identifying the Apollo.io extension, often listed as Apollo.io Sales Intelligence. This specific extension is what you'll need to carry out the integration process. When you find it, you'll want to click on Add to Chrome. This action will start the process of adding the extension to your browser. Remember, the efficiency of your workflow significantly improves when you have tools like this integrated, so it's well worth the setup time. After clicking Add to Chrome, you'll notice a pop-up window will appear, asking for your confirmation to install the extension. This is a security measure from your browser, just to ensure you acknowledge the addition of new functionalities. Go ahead and click Add Extension. This confirms that you indeed want the extension as part of your browser's toolkit. The extension will now automatically install itself. To ensure that it has been correctly added, you can check by clicking the extensions icon in your browser's toolbar. This icon usually appears as a small puzzle piece in the top right corner of your browser window. Inside this list, look for the Apollo logo. Spotting it there confirms that the extension is ready for use. Next, you'll need to open LinkedIn and navigate to any profile you might be interested in engaging with. It's here that the Apollo extension comes into play. At this point, click on the Apollo icon, which should now appear on the right side of your browser window. This integration allows Apollo to interface directly with LinkedIn, providing you with new functionalities directly on a profile page. Now, with the Apollo extension active on LinkedIn, you have expanded capabilities at your fingertips. You can now add contacts to lists, send connection requests, and even craft messages directly through Apollo. Additionally, this setup facilitates viewing a range of profile details and automating your tasks, dramatically enhancing your networking efficiency. By following these steps, you set up a seamless workflow between Apollo.io and LinkedIn, unlocking powerful tools that enhance your professional outreach efforts. So, take advantage of these resources and watch as your networking capabilities grow exponentially. Remember, integration like this is all about making your work smarter and not harder. Happy connecting.